Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here. I hope that you've been having a fantastic day. And first, before I get into anything, I just want to say I apologize for not being active lately. I've been really busy. I'm trying to work on like other projects. I've been working on AppScovery. I've been really busy. I'm going to try to keep uploading, but again, I am busy. I'm not done with YouTube. Just be patient with me. But now that that's out of the way, today's video, as you can tell from the screen and the title, it's going to be another Roku video. The reason that I'm doing another one is a lot of you seem to like the first one that I did, and personally I think that these videos are very unique, original, and I just personally think that they're fun to make. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a comment and a like so I do know that you enjoy these type of videos, and I may turn this type of video into a series on this channel. Maybe. Let me know what you think in the comments, but let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So of course you're not going to need anything to do this. Basically what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to play the original or classic game Snake. This game really got popular off of the Nokia phone. I can't necessarily show you what the original one looked like, as I don't have a working Nokia. I do have one, but it's not charged. I don't have a charger for it. But anyways, you're not going to need but two things. Of course, your Roku device or TV, whatever you're using. And then the second thing is either the Roku app or a device that can connect to the Roku website. So that's what the Roku app looks like on iOS. It's really similar to the same icon and everything on any other platform. So this is as well supported on Android. So go ahead and install it, and I highly suggest installing the app either way, if you do this or not, because there are a few more features added within the app that any device can do. It doesn't pertain to any specific firmware or version, none of that. Just, it's a pretty neat app. You can get a different control layout, you can get special audio settings, you can play music through photos, different things. But anyway, so what you're going to want to do after you make sure that you have those two things, make sure that you go ahead, head over to the Roku site or the app. Go ahead and make sure that you're connected to your device, or if you're on the website, go ahead and log into your Roku TV account, which will be the email and password that you use to set up whenever you first got your TV. And if you don't know what exactly that is, just go to About, and to do that you're just going to want to head over to Settings, and then once you get there, if you scroll down to System, it'll be under About. I'm not going to show you because I have personal information under there, but that's how you can find out your email. And then of course, if you forgot your password, you can always reset it. But once you do have access to the app or the website, you're just going to go ahead and go to the channels store, and you're going to head over there, and you're going to go over to the game section. So underneath everything, it says all genres. So go ahead and scroll down to where it says games. It's the 7th or 6th option on the app. I don't know about the actual website, but you have a few options for games. I've downloaded a few already, but make sure that you are logged in to your account on the app as well. Now once you do this, you're just gonna click add the channel, and it may take like a minute or two. It took about 2 minutes for me, or 1 minute, depending on what you install. It could be faster or slower. But basically, just go ahead and click the add button, and then wait till it quits spinning or loading. Eventually, it'll tell you that the channel has been added. So once it says that, just go ahead and head back to your Roku device, scroll down, or do whatever you need to do to get to your recently installed items. And I'm going to be showing you the snake game, like I said. So, of course, just go ahead and launch it. And this is the actual original snake. It's actually very, very usable with the regular remote. And again, there are extra features in the app, such as swipe mode. So instead of actually having this, along with some extra features, you can replace that with more features and also get a different type of remote to where you can just swipe instead of actually clicking the buttons. So that's pretty cool. But you do have a few extra modes. The only one that I've ever played is the classic. So this is also basically the same game that if you look up Snake Game, it's the JavaScript one. So if you've ever played that, it's very similar. It's where the game come from, the Nokia game, but a little background information for you there. But personally, I think that this is pretty cool. So hopefully you did like this video, and if you did, make sure that you do hang around by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon, because whenever I do upload, you don't want to miss it. Again, this is a pretty neat feature on the Roku. A lot of people don't know that you can actually get games on here, and you can actually get Angry Birds on here as well, but it costs like $2, I believe. So you can get some pretty cool games on here. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully you did like this video, and if you did, like I said, go down, leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and of course, share this video with everyone you know, or at least share it with someone that you know will enjoy it, or even someone that has a Roku. Just share the love. And as always, see you in the next one. Peace out.